First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year to my YouTube family. Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you how to make your hair straighten by using all the natural ingredients, and also you can tell this one as how to make the natural keratin at home itself by using the natural ingredient, which will makes your hair smoothing and coarse and frizzy hair. This mask is going to give you straight and healthy hairs, and as well as those who are having curly hairs, this mask is the best for them. Come guys, let's start how to make this remedy. For making this remedy, first of all, here I am having zucchini, or else you can say it as marrow. Marrow will treat for the dry hair, and also it helps to reduce the hair breakage. Marrow contains fatty acid and multivitamins that nourishes and stimulate hair promoting and also hair growth. Using this mask regularly for weekly twice, you can see how your hairs are going to be increase the shine and the softness to your hairs. So guys, first of all, here I have taken one marrow and I have peel off the marrow, and I am going to cut into small pieces and I will put it in a pan. Millions of people are using the marrow hair mask to treat in for the hair straightening, as which the people are doing the keratin. The keratin is best for making your hair straighten. You can take two marrows also according to your hair length. According to myself, I have taken the one. In this I am going to add 1 cup of water, and then I will keep it on the gas flame. Let it be come to the boil. Keep the flame in a high mode. Just keep it in the slowly so that it will cook nicely. So after that, you can see here my marrows are cooked well. Now I want to grind this one, because this one we are going to apply on our hairs. We don't want lumps, so I required a lumps free mask, so I have grinded finely. Here I want to give you one more tip guys. Marrow is not only good for hairs, but also it is good for your weight loss also. Regular taking marrow in your food, it will helps to reduce the weight. After grinding, again I am going to take the same pan and I will transfer the grinded mixture into the pan, and I will strain it because I don't want the lumps here. Because why I am telling you repeatedly that I don't want the lumps, because if there is lumps, no, it will stick into your hairs. There will be breakage of hair fall, so that's why I don't want the lumps. Whatever you are applying on your hairs, try to apply it without the lumps. So strain it finely, and then keep it. Again I am going to make one mixture of it until I am straining guys. Those who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, like and share among your friends and family members. And one more important thing, don't forget to hit the bell icon, because you can't miss any of my new videos. So it is fully free guys, no need to worry. So guys, after straining this, here I have taken corn flour. Corn flour is rich in minerals such as iron and zinc, which is very useful for long-term hair health. So in this I am going to make a mixture of it. So I am going to add little more water in it, and I will make a mixture, and then I will add this mixture in a pan, and then I will keep it this again on the gas flame for 1 to 2 minutes to make a creamy texture. You can see guys, here I am going to add that corn starch in my marrow mixture, and then I am going to keep it on the gas flame. Let it be cooked for not more than 2 to 3 minutes. You can see it is in a paste form. You can see guys, it's like a creamy texture. This is the best way to apply on your hairs, which will be more and more benefit also. So to completely I am going to transfer this into a clean bowl. In this I am going to add olive oil. If you are not having olive oil, you can use any of the oil, but olive oil works better than other oil. From thousands of years, the best hair oil is called as the olive oil, which will help to claiming it adds shine, body softness and resilience to your hairs. But some research on the effect of olive oil shows that it is a major moisturizing effect. Olive oil could add softness and strengthen hair by penetrating the hair shaft and preserving the moisture. So next here I have taken coconut oil. Oil also having several benefits for health, which is good for hair and scalp. It will keep your hairs moisturized and seals the hair. Mix all these ingredients well. You can see little bit it is uh, like a lumpy, that it is not a matter. When you are applying on your hairs, it will apply, you can apply it well. So this bowl is very small for my mask, so I am going to transfer into a big bowl. Apply this mask on your hairs and leave it for minimum 1 to 2 hours. I hope this will be very useful for you. Weekly 1 or 2 times you can use this mask for best result. Those having curly hair, those who wants to do keratin at home, this is the best mask I suggest. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.